Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss the topic called inserting a missing character. So let's go to the first question. Here there is 217, 2, 126, 65, 9 and we should find the value of this. So let's find the value. If not, you can try it on your own. And I'm going to say the answer for that. So if you see this question, here 2, let's come by this way, 2, 9. So what is there in between 2, 9 if we do squares or cubes? So 2 cube plus 1 equals to 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So we got the answer. So let's do the same. And finally we have to do that 9. So if we come onto this like this, so the next one is 3 cube plus 1. So what is 3 cube? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 plus 1 equals to 28. So the answer is 28. If you have any doubt, you can check like this. So 28 cube, we can just take that 4 cube plus 1 equals to 4 cube is 4 4 16, 16 4 64. 64 plus 1 is 65. So we got the correct answer and we got 65 here. Let's go to the second question. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. If you observe here, these all are odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Let's go to the next. 8, 26, 48, 82 and we have to find the value and 170. So let's solve this problem. So let's find a logic for this. So what is between 3 and 8? And that is 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9 minus 1 equals to 8. We got the answer. So but 5 we cannot get like that. So let's do 5 square plus 1. So minus plus minus plus will be go on doing like that. 5 square is 25 plus 1 is 26. So we got the answer. So the same method let's do for 7. So now we have to do minus. 7 square minus 1 equals to 49 minus 1 equals to 48. So this is applicable. Now let's do for 11. 11 square. So we have to take plus here. 11 square is 121 plus 1 is 122. So the answer is 122. So it's not 11. So it is 9. So if we take for 9, 9 square plus 1 is equals to 81 plus 1 equals to 82. So we got for this. Now let's do for this. 11 square minus 1. That is 121 minus 1 equals to 120. So the answer is 120. Let's go for the third one. 5, 19, 3, 4. 7, 6, 5. We should find the value of this. And 6, 4, 29, 5. So try to solve this. I will give you 10 seconds of time. After that I'll just say the answer. So try to do that. It is very easy. It is based on multiplication and addition. So you will get the answer 19 if you do multiplication and addition. So I will say the answer. So 3 into 5 plus 4. 3 into 5 plus 4. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So let's come to here. 4 into 6 plus 5. 4 into 6 plus 5. 4 6 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So we got the answer. And let's find the missing one. 5 into 7 plus 6. 5 into 7 plus 6. 5 sevens 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. So the answer is 41. Let's go to the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 11, 7, 5, 120, 45. And this is also a bit difficult and also easy. So try to solve this. I'll give you 5 seconds of time and later I'll say you the answer. This is very simple problem related to squares. So just try to solve it. Easy one. Okay, I'll say the answer. First take the first column. 11, 1. 11 square plus 1 square. What is 11 square? 11 square is 121 plus 1 square. So 121 plus 1 is 120, 122. 121 minus 1 is, it is not plus, it is minus. So we'll get the answer as 120. So it is applicable for all these. Let's try. 7 square minus 2 square. 7 square is 49 minus 2 square is 4. So it is applicable, that is 45. So let's do for this. 5 square minus 3 square. That is 25 minus 9. And can you guess the answer? And that is 16. So we got the answer as 16. So let's go to the last one. 6, 5, 15, 3 is 93. 9, 7, 5, 6 is what? We have to find. 4, 18, 1, 8 is 50. So try to solve it. I'll give you 5 seconds of time. And there is a logic in all these. And I'll say the answer now. That is 15 into 5. 15 into 5 plus 6 into 3. Plus 6 into 3. Now we'll solve this. So we may get 93 or not. Let's check. 15 5s 75 plus 6 3s 18. So we will get the answer as 93. Yes, so it is applicable. Let's check. And let's check for this. That is 5 into 7. 5 into 7 plus 9 into 6. 5 7s 35 plus 9 6. So 9 into 6 is 54. So 35 plus 54 is equals to 89. Yes. So we got the answer as 89. So that is the correct answer. And if you have any more doubt that whether it is correct or not, let's check for this also. 18 into 1. 18 into 1 plus 4 into 8. 18 into 1 is 18 plus 4 8s 32. And 18 plus 32 is 50. So we got the answer 50 and here is 89 and here 93. So we solved all the problems. We solved all the problems of today. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you want to know any more topics, please comment me and I'll explain you all those topics. Thank you.